The following message is transmitted at the request of the White House Police Department. At approximately 6:01 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, the officers take the Freddy Fazbear Pizza. The New York destroyed and nuclear. This is not a test. Repeat, this is not a test. Is for 4 a.m. Now end of the tornado warning. To shelter to places. To shelter to places. The San Juanico Bridge, Philippines. The Samar Godzilla swimming toward the New York and Fred Baral. Residents Saskatchewan shelter immediately. Gather food, water, juice, battery powered. Door please update with you go inside the house. Flush toilet and you be careful by eat. Toilet most station in Ohio.
This is Amber Alert, effective for the entire city of Orlando and surrounded cities. The following message is transmitted at the request of the police department. The child, white, male, 6 feet tall, wearing 45.2 pounds and long hair and green eye, name Evan Afton Daniel, who watching over in Amber Alert the America in New York, the explosion city in, and call kid, call National Center for Missing Exploited, troll free 1-800-843-5678. Please remember the kid. Please update the Texas, the U.S. missing the Freddy Fazbear and abusing with bubble running. Now and later 2 day left. All residents are the Skibidi Toilet in photos. The Amber Alert in 1-800-843-5678. The National Center. Please do not outside once you're in your shelter. Do not outside. You just be stupid and call 9-1-1. The police stations in policeman. And look, a missile, the explosion bomb.
Express. Gordon had arrived back at the sidings very tired. He was just going to sleep when Thomas came up in his cheeky way. "Wake up, lazy bones, do some hard work for a change."
The following message is transmitted at the request of the National Center Missing Exploited Children Police Department. The catemojibabyheat is coming. No gas time. Veeg fast. Speed 1.11 speed Eastern Standard Time. Eastern Standard Time. Nuclear bomb explosion. Now the car fast. The name is Nation's boy wearing a blue t-shirt and brown shorts and yellow hair. Please update the withered catemojibabyheat destroyed but turning ignited. Conjunction. The National Center Nations. The catemojibabyheat flying out of the sky. The call September 1st, 2001 and look somewhere.
Event type emergency, all Canadian. This message is transmitted at the request of the Ohio Most station. Follow. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. The tornado is coming. The Ohio tornado destroyed more in Ohio. The coming somewhere. Siren head. Please call 911. The police ride the in 3 a.m. Do not out you just to be stupid.
Please stand by. The president or one of his designated representatives will be speaking. Over the emergency alert system. Stand by for this message.
The following message has been given authorization to transmit on these stations at the request White House, the United States government, and the ignited catemojibabyheat Department of Defense. This is not a test. Repeating, this is not a test. Is for 7 a.m. A national level of emergency has been declared. Tornado warning for the entire city at 7 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Eastern Standard Time. 3 missile intercontinental thunderstorm N Missile have been located from Lace's secret base and the missile will impact in the Freddy Fazbear Pizza following areas: Los Angeles, California, New York City, New Moscow, Russia, and Saskatchewan, Canada. These missiles are expected to impact the following areas within next 20 minutes. All residents listening to this message get underground immediately, no matter where you are. These Skibidi Toilet and G-Man have arranged to up 600 miles which will detonate across the entire United States itself. Martial law is in effect and will indefinitely stay in effect. Indoors, stay indoors. This is an emergency alert system. Please stand by. Please stand by. Wait, is the giant robot we never rocket?
Oh, I no idea. I think people screaming no idea. This is end of the world giant robot.
Oh, is that a rocket? And how did to end of the world? Oh, the police, New York, we have to run.
Yes, Joey.
Yes, Joey.